Good day, sir. This is Gerald Maimot explaining what is magnetic compass. Magnetic compass is a navigation instrument that shows direction relative to the Earth's magnetic poles. It consists of a magnetized needle that is free to rotate horizontally and aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic north and south poles. The parts of a magnetic compass. First is compass ball. Compass ball. Function: holds compass card and liquid. Next is Flinders bar. Function: corrects vertical magnetic errors. Next is fore and aft beam magnet tray. Function: corrects fore and aft magnetic effect. Next is healing magnet tube. Function: corrects healing errors. Mirrors and or reflection arrangement. Function: easy reading from bridge. Soft iron sphere. Function: correct quadrantal deviation. Next is binacle stand. Holds support and compass. Outward shape magnet tray C. Function: corrects outward shape magnet effect. Base. Function: supports and secures the compass. Peephole going to the ship's bridge.